How to download apps on Samsung S25 Ultra. If you want to download and install apps on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, there are two easy ways to do it. You can use either the Galaxy Store or the Google Play Store. Let's take a look at both methods. Method 1. Download apps from the Galaxy Store. First, open the Galaxy Store on your Samsung device. Once the app opens, tap the search icon in the top right corner. Tap the search bar icon at the bottom and type the name of the app or game you want to install. Next, tap the download arrow button. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically on your device. Method 2. Download apps from the Google Play Store. You can also install apps using the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store app on your phone, then tap the search bar at the bottom and enter the name of the app or game you want to download. Select the app from the search results and tap the Install button. The Play Store will download and install the app on your Samsung device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app right away. You can also find it later in your app screen or home screen. And that's it. That's how you can easily download and install apps on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other recent Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Thanks for watching.